Pau, good evening. Kumusta na guys? So ayan, this is Manay Gina and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So guys, for today's video, pag-usapan natin ang Kim Pao. Kasi nga guys, natapos na ang kanilang mall show sa Cebu, Jinsan, Coronadal. At mayroon ngang mga nagsasabing ibang-iba na ang isang Paulo Abilino. At dito naman tayo mga kakimpaw sa kanilang movie na My Love Will Make You Disappear. Grabe guys, sobrang napakalaki ang na-sales ng movie ni Kim at ni Pao. As of 1 p.m. March 17, nasa 1.26 million na ang worth of tickets at SM North EDSA for the first 2 screening days. Huge thanks to all contributors. Special thanks to SM Cinema North, EDSA, and ROBS coordinator for Luzon at RMK 0225. Note, this list is based on bookings made through One United Kim Pao. This does not include other bookings purchases by other groups, entities, and online ticket sales. So, di ba guys, grabe ang laki na. Diyos ko, tama nga si Eric dyan, salot na sinasabi niya na talagang mag-blockbuster itong movie ng Kim Pao. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!